Before you spend your hard-earned money on luxury leather at bargain prices, you need to see this review first. Because today, I'm breaking down the truth about Ward's Leather Goods store and answering the big question, is wards-leathergoods.com legit or just another online store that looks better than it performs in 2025? I tested everything step by step, from browsing their advertised handcrafted leather bags, backpacks, wallets, and accessories to examining their product claims, site details, pricing tactics, policies, and customer experience indicators, and the results were mixed enough that you really need the full picture. On one hand, the website presents itself professionally with clean visuals, detailed product descriptions, and discounts that seem almost too good for premium leather goods, which immediately raises a red flag. Real handcrafted leather rarely sells this cheaply without cutting corners somewhere. On the other hand, while the designs look stylish, the site provides limited transparency about manufacturing locations, leather sourcing, or the actual artisans behind the products they claim are handmade, making it impossible to verify those quality claims. I also look closely at shipping timelines and refund policies, which appear vague compared to established leather brands. And while payment processing seems standard, the lack of clear third-party reviews or long-term customer feedback makes it hard to confidently vouch for overall reliability. There were no immediate signs proving it's an outright scam, but at the same time, nothing convincingly confirmed it as a premium, fully trustworthy brand either, meaning buyers should proceed carefully. The pricing strategy leans heavily on constant sales timers and bundle deals, a common tactic seen in dropshipping style stores rather than true artisan brands, which is something shoppers should consider before purchasing. In the end, my results suggest Ward's Leather Goods sits in a gray area, not clearly fake, but not strongly proven legitimate either. So if you're considering ordering in 2025, do it with realistic expectations, thorough research, and caution rather than blind trust.